Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Unlock your Redmi Note 10s and make sure you're on the built-in launcher. Once done, long press a blank area of the home screen to bring up the Home Options menu. You'll see icons and a Home Settings gear. Tap that now. This step puts you in the launcher configuration where App Vault lives. You do this because App Vault is a home screen feature, so you must change launcher settings rather than app settings to stop it. Now locate the App Vault entry, sometimes called Quick Cards, in Home Settings. Toggle App Vault off. You should see the leftmost pane disappear instantly. If you don't find it there, go to Settings Home Screen and Recents and turn off App Vault from that menu instead. Do this because the toggle removes the service from the home experience rather than stopping a background app, ensuring the page no longer loads when you swipe left. Finish by swiping left on the home screen to confirm App Vault is gone, and then reboot the phone to ensure settings persist. If App Vault still appears after restart, go to Settings Apps Manage Apps, find the System Launcher or Home app, and clear cache and data. Then reapply the setting. As an alternate fix, install or enable a different launcher temporarily. This resolves stubborn cases because residual launcher data can restore the pane until cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.